Okay, to make a level in Revit, if I'm starting right here and I need to make my basement, I go right here. So I need a basement right now. So it looks like this, and I don't have a basement. So if I go over here and take a look at my plans, I see I've got level 1, level 2, level 3, but I don't see a basement. So what I want to do is you always have to go to an elevation. And the east elevation is probably the easiest. And then to do this, this is what you do. You go over here to level. So you click on level. Now, at this point, the easiest thing to do is use pick lines. So use pick lines, and then you want to go here and put a check mark and create plan view, and you can choose the plan view types that you want. So ceiling plan and floor plan, that's all you're going to need. You don't need the structural plan. So you want to check those and hit OK. Now once I've got this, I'm going to make the offset 10 feet. I make the offset 10 feet. I'll go ahead and touch this. When I do this, you can see it can go up or down. You can go up or down, so I want to go down like there. You see the dash blue underneath, and I click on it, and then it says there, level 4, we're good to go. And the fact that it's blue, that means that I do have right now, to do this again, just go ahead and click on that, and basement, and BASMENT like that. Okay, and I'll say yes. Now at that point, I got the basement, and now if I go over here to my levels, I go over here, and I created a couple extra ones. Oops. All right, but I go to basement. Now if I go to basement, I can't see it, so it's like, oh no. Well, we learned before. All we have to do is go here and do this, and there's that. Now at this point, I can go ahead and I can trace out my my floor plan, my basement right underneath here. So which is what I'm going to do. So just to show real quickly how to do this, I'm going to go here to wall, and I want to use my basement. So I think in this case, I'm just going to use I think a 6-inch foundation. Yeah, this might be a little bit of a hassle. I'm just going to use generic 6 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and just go around the perimeter here. Go here, and I'm just going to go right to here. And yes, it's going to give me a little bit of an error, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and try this again. I'm going to try another way here. What is that? Okay, what is the... Okay, go here real quick. So the thickness of these walls, it's usually the thickness of these walls right here is 7 1/8. Okay, so these are 7 1/8. Okay, so we can do it that way, or I'm just going to go ahead and go to wall again. This time I'm just going to make it instead of 6 because that's too thin. I'll make it
Probably 8, maybe. Or it'd be
yeah,
3.
8 inches will be fine. I'll just go to 8 inches. Okay, now when I do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick a point here. And I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go right along here, just along the interior. And so I'm going to go right along to here, and I'm going to go there, and highlight walls overlap. Why is that? I'm not sure. Okay, why is it different? So it's not making something here. I hate it when this happens. Okay, so I'm going to wall, wall. Oh, base constraint's not level 1, it's basement. Okay, that's why.
Oh,
That's why. So just rookie error. Okay, so I'm going here, I'll try again. And I want to go from here. And I'm just going to go ahead and right to there. Let's go to let me see what's going on there. Okay. All right. Do it one more time. Basement. Oh, okay. Okay, top constraint is up to level 1. That's why. So, okay, we'll try this again. All right, so now I'm in the basement. I'll do this one more time. And this should work this time. Yeah, plugs it down. Apologize. Yeah, for anyone watching the video. This guy doesn't know what he's talking about. All right, there we go. And we'll go here. and then we'll go over here, and then all right, and then that it doesn't like this, but that's okay. We'll it'll be okay. And go here, and I might have to move these around a little bit, but we'll just go ahead and do this. That's gonna go like that. Okay. All right. Now, once I've got that, I take a look at it, inspect it, and there's my basement wall. See that? And that's what you want to do. So you want to essentially make your basement walls just like that. And then you may need to clean some. Now these, I botched that, because I made them too tall. So just check those things. Check the height of your walls and so forth. It should work out fine. But that's what the basement should look like. And for mine, that's how that works. Does that make sense, you guys?
Mhm.
All right, so you want to make a basement, and that's how you go ahead and do it. And again, make sure that your base constraint is the basement once you've actually done it. If you need help as you're working on this, please ask me, and I'll be more than happy to do that. I'm going to give you back your screens, and thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Yep, you're going to need that stuff. All right, snapshot. There you go.
Mr. Brennan.
Yeah.
Look at my screen.
Sure. Okay. Yep.
All right. This what I'm doing.
Oh wow.
Out in the basement. I tried to do that, but I think maybe because I put this coming up over here structure. Do I need to redo it? Start over?
Oh, let's see here. You shouldn't have to. Okay, let's say it. Flip it. Let me take a little different look at it. Let me take over a second here. Let me take a look at see what you got here. Okay, so you got this. Okay. I don't see any problem with that. What you could do is if just to help orient yourself a little bit here, if we go to level one, and this is one thing that I do to kind of like just make a little more sense. I'm gonna go here. If you go here and if you this and again you don't have to do this, it's just something that I kind of like to do. I'm gonna go to floor, and one of the things I did here is I left you a floor out here for earth. So just to orient it, this might make a little more sense. If you go like this and we do that, and we hit the green check mark right there, attach, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at it in 3D, and we'll go do that and see if that makes more better sense. Is that a little better? What's that now?
You see how the green is inside the bed?
Oh yeah, because you don't have floors yet. Yeah, when you put your floors in, you could cut a hole in that too. All right. Yep. Have a good night. Oh.
Mr. Brennan, I made my basement, but I'm not. It should pop up on the side, right, for me to double click to put on the.
Oh yeah. Okay. Except if you. Okay. So does that help, Alan?
Yeah.
Does that help to kind of like? All right. There we go. All right, let me go ahead and stop you here. Yeah, for what it's worth, you guys, it's a little after 6:30 right now, so let's start wrapping it up, and we'll do that. So, okay, can I let me take a look at this? Yeah. Okay, so what happened here is if that happens, you got your level. It's good. But then what you want to do is go to the View tab, and when you go to the View tab, you see it says Plan Views right there. Yep, and choose Floor Plan, and choose Basement, and hit OK. All right, and then go ahead and go to Plan Views again, and choose Reflected Ceiling Plan, and choose Basement, and hit OK again. And then you can see it over on the side. If you scroll up in your project browser, does that help?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. So that is how you would go ahead and put that together. Yeah, so at this point it's coming again like this. So yeah, the thing I do is because it can be a little disorienting looking at the base like this, I just put this in here. This is because this is what it would look like. You wouldn't see the other. You can always see it from another source, but this allows you to kind of see what's going on here. So this one, I've got to go ahead and bring my. I'm going to have to change that so that my floor needs to, yeah, so it's got to that inches, right? Inches, that, and then we've got that. So, yeah, there we go. And so that is how we go ahead and put that together. And yeah, all right. So, let's go back there.